Understanding merchandising, an intricate dance between retail and innovation. Merchandising encompasses the multifaceted process of presenting and promoting products for purchase across various sales channels. With the retail sector continually evolving, understanding the nuances of merchandising is essential for businesses aiming to thrive in competitive markets. This article delves into the definition, categories, strategies, and significance of merchandising, while also exploring the intricate dynamics of retail cycles and the difference between merchandising and service companies. What is merchandising? At its core, merchandising refers to the marketing and sales of products. It is particularly synonymous with retail sales, where businesses directly engage with consumers. More specifically, merchandising may refer to the promotion, marketing, and advertising of goods intended for retail sale. Key components of merchandising. Merchandising includes several vital activities. Determination of quantities, analyzing market demand and consumer behavior to decide how much inventory to stock. Pricing strategy, establishing competitive pricing while also considering discounting tactics to attract customers. Display design, creating appealing product displays that draw customer interest and facilitate product interaction. Marketing strategies, developing campaigns that resonate with target audiences to build brand awareness and drive sales. Promotional activities, employing tactics such as coupons and discounts to incentivize purchases. As technology continues to evolve, so too does the face of merchandising. Innovations like electronic point-of-sale systems and personalized mobile advertising are transforming how retailers engage with consumers. Categories of merchandising. Understanding the different classifications of merchandising is essential for developing effective marketing strategies. Key categories include product merchandising, focused on the selection and presentation of the products themselves. Visual merchandising, centers around creating engaging displays and settings that entice consumers. Retail merchandising encompasses strategies tailored specifically for retail environments. Digital merchandising involves marketing and selling products online through e-commerce platforms. Omnichannel merchandising integrates various sales channels to provide a seamless shopping experience. The role of technology in merchandising. With rapid advancements in technology, the role of merchandising has significantly evolved. Retailers are increasingly leveraging data analytics to customize shopping experiences, track inventory levels in real time, and forecast demand. Personalized marketing driven by artificial intelligence and machine learning can help businesses target consumers more effectively, enhancing engagement and sales. The importance of understanding retail cycles. In the United States, merchandising often follows a seasonal cycle that aligns with holidays and events throughout the year. For example, January, promotion of products related to New Year's resolutions and the upcoming Valentine's Day. Spring, focus on Easter merchandise, gardening supplies, and outdoor activities. Summer, marketing seasonal products for holidays like Independence Day and back-to-school supplies. Fall and winter, preparation and promotion of Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas merchandise. These cycles require retailers to adapt their merchandising strategies, anticipating changing consumer preferences and behaviors throughout the year. Special considerations in merchandising. Merchandising strategies vary widely based on geographic locations, consumer demographics, and cultural trends. Companies must not only respond to seasonal cycles but also account for regional differences in consumer preferences, local events, and climate variations. In the consignment retail sector, for example, retailers do not purchase outright the inventory they sell. Instead, they function as authorized resellers for third-party merchandise, making merchandising efforts even more critical to ensure the visibility and attractiveness of these products. Measuring success, gross merchandise value, GMV. Gross merchandise value, GMV, is a crucial metric that retailers use to assess the total value of merchandise sold during a specific timeframe, primarily within customer-to-customer exchanges. Understanding GMV allows companies to gauge growth and overall market performance. Merchandising versus service companies. While merchandising companies generate income through tangible products, service companies operate distinctly. Examples of service companies include consultants, accountants, and financial planners, who provide expertise instead of physical goods. The methodologies of merchandising and services differ fundamentally, with the former focusing on the presentation and marketing of products and the latter emphasizing customer interactions based on expertise and guidance. Effective merchandising strategies. To effectively engage consumers, retailers employ numerous merchandising strategies. Window displays, creating eye-catching storefronts that entice potential customers. Product grouping, strategically placing related items together to encourage additional purchases. Clear signage and navigation, ensuring aisles and displays are well organized and easy to navigate. Freebies and samples, providing a taste or glimpse of the product can influence buying behavior. In-store demonstrations, engaging customers through live demonstrations can result in increased sales. Cleanliness and professionalism play a crucial role in merchandising success, as they significantly impact customer perception. The benefits of effective merchandising. Effective merchandising is pivotal for enhancing brand identity, increasing customer retention, and driving sales. In physical retail spaces and online environments alike, the presentation of products significantly influences buyer behavior. A well-organized, clean, and engaging store can turn casual shoppers into loyal customers, ultimately benefiting the bottom line. Conclusion. Merchandising is a complex yet critical aspect of retail that goes beyond mere selling. It involves strategic planning, innovative marketing, and a deep understanding of consumer behaviors and trends. As technology advances and consumer preferences evolve, businesses must continuously adapt their merchandising practices to remain competitive and drive sales. Understanding the various aspects of merchandising is essential for any retailer aiming to navigate the ever-changing landscape of consumer goods effectively.